In this video we will talk about the basics of exercise and training. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Cardio exercise and training. Cardio training programs help strengthen the heart muscles as well as the lungs. Not only will such training do that, it will also help in improving a person's endurance. Cardio training can also help the body burn calories more efficiently, which in turn aids in losing weight. But not all cardio training programs can be ideal for everyone. It can usually be set according to a person's personal fitness level and would vary from person to person. Flexibility exercise and training. Stretching exercises to improve flexibility is considered by most fitness experts to be one of the most overlooked exercise program. A lot of people never seem to bother working on their stretching exercises, thinking that it would not matter that much. But having them as part of the general fitness program can help promote better movement and improve flexibility. Stretching the different muscle groups should be practiced while they are warm in order to be effective. By warm, what is meant is that they should have undergone to a certain period of activity. Stretching exercises can be done after doing some warm-up exercises or even after the whole fitness and exercise program. Strength exercise and training. Strength training usually involves working with free weights in order to strengthen the muscles, bones and the connective tissues surrounding them. It is important since strength training builds up muscles, help increase body metabolism and reduce body fat. The usual strength exercise and training comprises of at least 8 to 10 exercises, each focusing on the different major muscle groups of the body. Building up strength and the muscles in the lower back, shoulders, chest, and the arms can be achieved with at least 8 to 16 repetitions for each set of the exercises. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.